Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. As we could see, Bitcoin is having a slight pullback from all-time high and altcoins are following with a higher volatility which was expected after BTC hit the 100k target, as we talked about this in our Telegram channel. Personally, I believe that this is just market manipulation at play, and as long as Bitcoin stays above that strong support level around 70k, there's no reason to be concerned. In fact, I see these pullbacks as prime opportunities, whether it's adding to your existing positions or finding something new to invest in. If you're following us for a longer time, you know that we believe that AI coins will have the best return on investment for this bull market. So today, I've got something super exciting for you. We found one great AI token that could potentially be your next 100x investment. It is still in an early stage of a pre-sale, so you can get in early. If you're looking for the next big thing in crypto world, this could be it. So stick around till the end of the video because I'll break everything down for you and explain why this token could skyrocket. Alright, so let's start with the basics. The project I'm talking about is Solanex AI. You know that we have bought Solana when it was $13 and already made almost 20x on our investment. You can find a video about our public portfolio on our channel. We believe that Solana is one of the best blockchains at the moment, but we don't believe that Solana can make more than 4x from the current price. So we are looking for AI projects built on Solana or having their own ecosystem. We want to find a token with much more potential, but also high risk and reinvest some of the profits. One we found very interesting is Solanex AI with their token Soldex. Solanex is the revolutionary AMM DEX on Solana that uses AI to build the next generation decentralized trading experience, exclusively on Solana. If you're not in crypto for a long time, AMM is an automated market maker. To explain it better, AMM allows cryptocurrencies to be traded in a permissionless and automatic way by using liquidity pools rather than a traditional market of buyers and sellers. In this case, Solanex is set to provide traders by using AI with up to 60% lower fees and up to 250% higher profits for liquidity providers. You know that Solana has been gaining huge traction because of its fast transaction speeds and low fees, and Soldex is leveraging that strength combined with the power of artificial intelligence to bring something entirely new to the market. It's more than just a token. It's part of an entire ecosystem designed to transform the way we interact with AI in the crypto space. If you take a look what Forbes experts say, you could notice that AI has become one of the most important technological advancements in the world. It's changing industries from healthcare to finance, and now it's making its way into the crypto space. Most of the well-established coins are implementing AI in their ecosystems. With Soldex, we're looking at a token that combines the cutting-edge potential of AI with the decentralized power of blockchain. This is what makes Soldex so unique. It's at the intersection of two incredibly fast-growing and transformative sectors. And if you've been paying attention to trends in both the AI and crypto industries, you know that this is a combination that's bound to disrupt the market. When talking about ecosystem behind Solanex AI, we can say that Solanex AI is part of the largest suite of AI-driven tools and applications. Their goal is to build a platform that allows developers to access and leverage AI in a decentralized manner, creating a future where artificial intelligence and blockchain work seamlessly together. The ecosystem includes a range of products designed for different use cases, from decentralized finance, DeFi applications, to AI tools that will revolutionize industries. You can also find more important information about the project in the different famous media articles, such as CoinMarketCap, Crypto News, Finbold, and others. We also checked their social media and collaborations with other projects. Their Twitter account has more than 22K followers, while Telegram has more than 5,000 subscribers. There is also a lot of influencers talking about this token, so getting in early before their followers buy is also a great deal for this token. When talking about tokenomics, the backbone of any cryptocurrency, you can find it in their docs. The Soldex token has a well thought out tokenomic structure that includes a limited supply, staking opportunities, and rewards for holders. What we are most interested in is a total supply, which is capped at 3 billion tokens, and public pre-sale 35%, which is 1 billion and 50 million Soldex tokens with 10% unlocked at TGE, 1 month cliff, and remaining 90% is vested over 6 to 14 months depending on the round of purchase. These tokenomics are designed to incentivize long-term holding with staking rewards and the buyback and burn mechanism, aimed at driving demand while decreasing the token supply over time. Project team took a deliberate decision to run the fundraising stage without participation of any VCs, which means that the product is community funded and there will be no huge unlocks, providing a healthy price action after listing. When looking at the roadmap, we can see that the project started in 2023 and we can expect the platform to be released in the next weeks, looking for potential improvements. After that, we have token listing planned for a first quarter in 2025 and then expansion and innovation phase. Now, let's get into the part you're all probably asking. Why should you buy Soldex right now? First of all, the pre-sale is the perfect opportunity to get in early before project is listed on different exchanges. The AI space is booming and blockchain is just getting started with AI integrations. Soldex is entering the market at the perfect time to ride this wave of growth. As we head into 2025, this could be a prime opportunity to diversify your portfolio. We've already seen other AI tokens like AGX, PET, and Ocean grow massively, and Soldex is positioned to follow the same path, if not outperform them. If you decide to buy, you can head over to their official pre-sale page to get started. You can find the link in the description of this video. Then you can press Join Pre-sale or Buy Soldex. All you need is crypto EVM wallet like MetaMask or a Solana wallet such as Phantom or Solflare, and you can start participating in the pre-sale. The process is simple. Connect your wallet, choose the amount of tokens you want to buy, and you're all set. One more thing about the purchase is bonus. The more you invest, the higher percentage of bonuses in the form of Soldex tokens you will receive. Your investing will have a deposit bonus based on the investment amount. For example, $250 purchase will give you 5% of token bonus. $500 purchase, 7% of bonus. $1,000 purchase will give you a 10% of token bonus, and $2,500 purchase will give you a 15% token bonus. Amount of $2,500 or more will bring you to the maximum bonus. If you decide to purchase for more than $2,500, I suggest to create a new wallet and again go to the same process and get the additional bonus. After completing your purchase, your tokens will be reflected in your balance on the website. Soldex tokens will be credited to your wallet after the token generation event, TGE, in accordance with the vesting rules outlined on the Tokenomics page. Also, you can find audited results on their website. This project is audited by Oxguard, who checked their contract address for vulnerabilities and made sure it's safe. So, in summary, in my opinion, Soldex is a great, groundbreaking AI-driven token built on Solana blockchain with massive potential. The tokenomics are strong, idea is good, and the timing couldn't be better. If you are looking for a high-potential, high-risk investment in the AI and crypto space, Soldex is definitely one you want to explore. Have in mind that we are not financial advisors. Crypto space is rewarding but also very risky, and you should invest only what you feel comfortable with. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more updates on other crypto gems. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to get in on the pre-sale, have any other information about the project, and feel free to ask any questions. Don't forget to grab your Soldex token before they hit the exchanges.